Road signs don't speak, but they save lives every single day. Most drivers guess this wrong, will you? A. Do not enter. B. Stop. C. Yield. Answer: B. Stop. A red octagon always means stop. It's the only sign with this shape. This one fools even experienced drivers. Can you spot it? A. U-turn. B. Circular junction. C. Roundabout. Answer: C. Roundabout. This sign shows traffic moves in a circular direction at a roundabout. If you get this right, you're definitely alert. A. Two-way traffic. B. Merge. C. Divided highway ends. Answer: A. Two-way traffic. Warns that you're entering a section where vehicles go in both directions. Only sharp minds can read this road warning. A. Winding road. B. Slippery when wet. C. Soft shoulder. Answer: B. Slippery when wet. The wavy lines represent a vehicle skidding. Reduce speed on wet surfaces. Get this right, and you know your highways. A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. C. Four-lane road. Answer: B. Divided highway begins. Shows a median will divide opposing traffic ahead. Can you spot the difference in pedestrian zones? A. Pedestrian zone. B. Playground. C. School zone. Answer: C. School zone. This sign warns drivers that a school is nearby. Slow down. Pay attention. This one's common in rural areas. A. Animal farm ahead. B. Deer crossing. C. Forest warning. Answer: B. Deer crossing. Alerts drivers to areas where deer may cross the road suddenly. Miss this, and you might get hit. A. Signal ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Crossroad. Answer: A. Signal ahead. Warns drivers that a signal is ahead. Prepare to stop or go. Looks like a turn, but is it really? A sharp turn. B. U-turn. C. Curve ahead. Answer: A. Sharp turn. Indicates a tight turn. Slow down to safely make it. A deadly intersection if misunderstood. Can you name it? A. Roundabout. B. Crossroad. C. Central Railroad. Answer: B. Crossroad. Indicates an intersection where traffic may cross from left or right.